Marhaban, welcome to my channel Simple Arabic. If it's your first time in my channel, this is me, teacher Khawla, and I will help you to learn Arabic language and improve your reading and writing skills in it in a simple way. Today in this video, we will have the second part of Arabic alphabet. Make sure to check out the first part of them down below. And now let's get started with the second lesson. حروف الهجاء or Arabic alphabet. We will take in this video the names of the second group of Arabic alphabet, and then we will practice their pronunciation. What I need you to do in this part is first, listen very carefully to the sounds of each letter, and then I want you to attention to the articulation points. Articulation point simply is the place of emptying the letter when we pronouncing it. And then last thing is to repeat. Kha, 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 kha. Kha sound pronounced from the top part of throat. So as you see, the root of the tongue is a little back down but didn't touch with the palate. So that allows the air to come out. Kha, kha. Also, if you notice, the shape of the tongue is like a little curved. This is the position that the tongue should be when we pronounce the letter kha. Kha. It's not ka, but kha. Like my name, Khawla. It's not Kawla, it's Khawla. Kha. Kha. Dal. Da. Dal. Da. ذال. ذا. ذال. ذا. The sound pronounced from the top of the tongue and the inner edge of the upper teeth. The. We make sure that the top of the tongue come out a little bit from the mouth. The. Ra. 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 Ra comes out when the edge of the tongue, as you see in the pictures, and top portion of the tongue touches the gums of the top 4 front teeth. Ra. Ra. Zay. Z. Zay. Z. Sin. Sa. Sin. Sa. Shin. Sha. Shin. Sha. صاد. صا. صاد. صا. I want you to notice the shape of the tongue when we pronounced sa. What happened is, when we pronounced sa, the tip of the tongue touches the inner edge of the 2 bottom front teeth. Sa. Sa. ضاد. ض. ضاد. ض. The sound is one of the most difficult articulation points for Arabs and non-Arabs. We will simplify how this letter exactly pronounced. So first of all, it's pronounced from the edges of the tongue or the sides of the tongue with the roots of the upper molars. So what happened is that we stick the sides of the tongue with the upper molars. Ba. Ba. You can use a mirror to adjust the position of your tongue according to what we said, then pronounce the letter da. Ta. 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 To pronounce ta sound, we raise the tip of the tongue to touch the root of the two top front teeth. Ta, ta. It's very close to the sound of ta in Arabic and sound of t in English, but much harder. Ta, ta. Va, 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 va. The sound comes out when the tip of the tongue touches the edges or the sides of the two top front teeth. The. So till now we have already took 17 letters. Let's revise them together. Alif, A, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Tha, Tha, Jim, Ja, Ha, Ha, Kha, Kha, Dal, Da, Dhal, Dha, Ra, Ra, Zay, Za, Sin, Sa, Shin, Sha, Sad, Sa, Dad, Da, Ta, Ta, Va, Va. Well done! If you like this video, please comment below and subscribe for more Arabic learning videos. See you in the next part of Arabic alphabet. حروف الهجاء. السلام عليكم.